Hey guys, my channel here. And today's the 23rd. And it's so sad. I forgot the Monday rare. Forgot to get it. It was really sad. So yeah. I have only missed one day, and that was the 21st. It was really sad, but I still don't know what it was. Let me inside. Whoa, goodness, it's kind of loud. Let me up inside. Oh yay, I got a diamond. Hanging off. I don't like it when this happens. No, I don't. No, I don't. I don't like it when this happens. No, I don't. No, I don't. Ugh. Do, 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 do. Sometimes Animal Jam makes me a little frustrated. Aw, thank you. Aw, thank you. Oh! Yay! I really wanted that. Yay! I've always wanted that. Okay. Yay! Yay! Oh, and the 21st was even a diamond day. Can you believe that? But the Monday rare. Oh! Breathe. Breathe. Oh my goodness. Whew. I can breathe again. Okay, so I actually didn't really care about the rare since it had the green, but I've always wanted this. Like, yay, I can do my signature outfit. Yay. You have got to be kidding me. No, I can't. Ugh! Why did I have to get rid of the spike? I got rid of my spike. It was the silver one, so now I can't do anything. Yes. Playing Animal Jam.
Come here.
Okay, hon. Oh, damn, that's one more thing. Oh, come on. Get something good. Bum, banana, dun, 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 dun. I really wanna do my signature. It's not even changing anything. Signature polar bear outfit. Yeah. Okay, bye guys. Please like and subscribe and comment down below. Bye. Coming.